Well, all right, so these types of problems is great because what I really like about this is I'm given some factors, and factors tell us a lot about our polynomial. Remember, our factors evenly divide into our polynomial. So, by knowing our factors, I can use synthetic division if I want to for both factors, but also it's even more important is I'm given one factor with the square root of 5, which is irrational, and therefore I know I can also apply the conjugate. So, when given these factors, I automatically already know that x minus the square root of 5 is also going to be a factor of my polynomial, which is perfect because now I have 3 factors, and looking at this, that's all I simply need as far as my factors because I can now determine that my zeros, remember you set each factor equal to 0, so 2x minus 1 equals 0, so therefore x equals 1/2, and then you could say x minus the square root of 5 equals 0, so therefore x equals the square root of 5, and then x minus the square root of 5 equals 0, or x plus the square root of 5, so therefore x equals the negative square root of 5. Now, just to confirm our answer, let's want to take at least one 0, and let's take the 0 that gives us 1/2, and let's make sure that we can synthetically divide that, and to make sure our other remaining 2 factors are going to be x plus 5 and x minus the square root of 5. So what I'll do is I'll take my coefficients, I'll take 2, -1, -10, and 5, and I'm just going to apply synthetic division very quickly. 2, bring down the 2 first. 2 times 1/2 is going to be 1. -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 times 1/2 is going to be 0. -1 plus 0 is going to be, oh, that's 10. Sorry about that. 0, 0. -10 times 0, or -10 plus 0 is going to be a -10. -10 times 1/2 is a -5, which is going to be 0. Therefore, that is going to be my remainder, constant, coefficient of my linear, coefficient of my quadratic. Therefore, if I know that 2x minus 1 is a factor, then this other factor is 2x squared minus 10. Therefore, this times this equals my original polynomial, which equals, so we can set them equal to 0. Well, we already know by setting this equal to 0, 2x minus 1 equals 0, and then here 2x squared minus 10 equals 0. Well, by applying my square root method, by adding 10 dividing by 2, I get x squared equals 10 divided by 2 is 5, and when I take the square root of that, I have x equals plus or minus 5, which I was already able to tell you are my 2 zeros, which I probably could have done this problem in 30 seconds, but we can at least show how we can verify our answer when given a set of factors to determine the rest of our zeros. Thanks.